Welcome to the second part of date data type in SQL. I hope that you people might have created the table shown in first part of this tutorial. Like this, we have created a table called as sample, describe sample, roll number of type number, date of birth of type date, date of joining of type date. We have inserted certain values, select type from sample. So what you can see, there are a few values. And the default format is DD, MONYY. Okay. Now the problem is that 67. Now, what does this 67 is? Is it 1967 or 2067? So, let me revise with an example. Insert into sample values roll number 3, comma 1 October. Suppose you entered 55. Okay. And in second, you entered 3 January 12th, 78. A very old date I have given. One row created. Now, if you again try to select star from sample, so what you can see, 55 is again displayed as 55, and 1278 is displayed again as 78. So the problem is how you will come to know that what is this 78, and similarly, what is this 55 now? Is it year 1955 or it is year 2055? Very soon we will come to this. Let us see ahead. So the default format is DDMNYY, and mon means first three characters of the month. Now, these are the sample values which we have inserted. Now, I have told you that you cannot insert number in place of month directly. There are other ways, but as of now, you cannot enter. But you can use different symbols. Like instead of dash, you can use this hash or you can use dollar. But please, there is one catch line. If you try to copy this query from somewhere else into SQL, it can give error. See, like this. It is giving error invalid character. Why it has happened? Because you might have copied it from somewhere else. Let me see if I have that query. Yes. See, I had copied this query from somewhere else and I tried to enter it here. So what is this code? This code, you can see this code is different from this code. So if you try to enter, it will give error. So this type of error is sometimes difficult to track because you will see where it is error, there is no error. So this invalid character is not because of hash. It is because of this single quotes. You can see. So while entering values, you should be careful about whether the quote is this or this or this. These quotes are not allowed. What is allowed is this type of single quote. Okay. So if I correct it like this, something like this, see, now I have given dollar, but the quotes are Oracle single quotes. So one row created. Okay, now see the values. 66 is stored as 66, sys date, today's date. Okay, so you can use dollar, you can use hash, you can use slash. There are many symbols that are allowed. Okay, move to next slide. Now if you want to see full year, because uh, as I've told you in the beginning, that if I have entered 55, then what is this 55? 1955 or something. So to overcome this problem, there are different ways. The first one is automatic handling of date by Oracle. Now for this, Oracle has introduced a data type called as RR format. Now what is the RR format? It works in plus minus 50 years. For example, the current century is 21st century and the year is 21 or 20. So 20 is less than 50. Okay. So if I try to any date which is less than 50 in year, then the current century will be taken. For example, if I enter 22, So this 22 is less than 50. And the current century is 21st, the year of which is 20. So it will be stored as 2022. But suppose if I entered say 66. Now this 66 is greater than 50. So previous century will be taken. Means it will be stored as 1966. Okay. But if I have given the full all four characters of year, it will be stored as it is. Although it will be shown as 78, but it will be stored as 1278. So now let us see these values, how we can see them. So there are few ways. Number one method is you can use to_char function. Okay. So what is to_char function? To_char function is very simple, easy. See, select, let us see a simple example. Select date of birth from sample. You can see the dates, but all four characters are not visible. So I want to see all the four characters also. So what I will type, select, let us take normal date of birth and let us take to_char function. So to_char date of birth, comma, dd, mon, yyyy from sample. Now see. Now you can see earlier it was 55, but it is stored as 1955. As I've told you, because of RR format, 55 is greater than 50 and current century is 20. So it will be stored as less previous century. But if you enter 22 and it is less than 50, so current century will be taken as 2022. But if you have given all the four characters will be displayed. Now four characters were given in next column, that is date of joining. So let us take that column also. Again, we can type like this, comma, date of joining, normal, and to_char. To_char, date of joining, what we can type, same thing we can type. From sample. Now you can see this earlier it was 3 January 78, or another example that I have entered was, yes, 1278. So this 1278 is displayed as 1278. So normally you can see it was displayed as 12/11/78, but 1278. 55 is stored as 1955. 20 is stored as sysdate as 2020. 67 as 1967, and so on. So this how you can view full four characters of the date. However, this method can be sometimes tedious. So there is one simplified method also. What you can use an option called as alter session set analyst date format is equal to ddmonYY. So let us try to write this query. I think I have written it somewhere else. Okay, let us write it again. Alter session set NLS date format equals to dd mon yy. So now wherever you will type select star from sample, by default this has been changed to this. But please remember that this is applicable only for current login. Next time you will log in, again it will be revert back to YY. But you will find it easier than this to_char function. Okay, so try this, make this table. Again, try these different type of values. These are called as elements. We will see these elements more in next video. Try out. Thank you very much.